Hey, welcome back to Made Simple. Today we're going to be talking about how to use filters in Excel. But before we begin, please subscribe and smash that like button. It would really help me out. I would appreciate that much. Much? Anyways, all right, so here we have our set of data. Let's just say that we own a business. We have a bunch of employees, and these are employee ID numbers 1 through, let's see how many we got here. Oh, 1,400. A lot of employees. Pretty big company, you know? And these are the ages of our employees, if they're male or female, and the hours worked that particular week, how much they get paid per hour. And mind you, this is all random data, so please don't be offended if I'm only paying this guy $15 when you think you should be making more than that. And the total pay, which is just hours worked times the pay per hour. All right, so basically what you do is you select the data that you want to filter, you go to data, then you hit filter. And then these drop down arrows will appear. And what you can do is click on those. And depending on what column you click in, so if I click in this column, it's going to show me all of the employee numbers, right? But let's say that I only want to see the pay for the females that I employ. So I can just simply unselect these, select female, hit OK, and it'll filter out all of the males. It won't delete them, it'll just filter them out, right? And if I have this filter in place, I can do another filter like I just want to know all the females that work 12 hours. And then it'll show all the females that have worked 12 hours. And if I clear this column filter, then the female filter will stay, but the hours worked will appear. All right. So you can get super creative with it. This will even give you a shortcut to do sort things from smallest to largest or largest to smallest, or alphabetically A through Z or Z through A likewise, which can also be found here. But filters are just super useful. And then if you want to get these arrows to go away, you just unclick the filter, and then when you do that, when you deselect the filter, all of the filters that you put in place will go away. However, if you do sort it, removing the filter will not unsort the data. Special note. All right, and that's all there is to it. You just got to mess around with it and play for it yourself. But that is the basics of using a filter in Excel. Before you go, please subscribe and smash that like button. I would appreciate it. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.